In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed on Miro board in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a designer, a project manager, or simply someone who loves organizing ideas visually, embedding in Miro can truly enhance your collaborative experience. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, you need to navigate to the Miro website. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing in the URL miro.com. Here you'll find yourself on their homepage, which is filled with all the tools and resources Miro has to offer. Moving on, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you will see a button labeled Login. Click on this to begin accessing your Miro account. If you haven't yet connected your Miro profile with your Google account, now's the time to do so. Simply click on Google when prompted and choose your desired Google account from the list. This step is crucial as it secures your Miro access and connects your account for seamless functionality. Once you've successfully logged in, you will want to locate the Export button. It's conveniently situated on the top left corner of the board interface. Clicking this will take you further into the steps necessary for embedding. The next button you'll look for is the Embed option. Typically, you'll find it adjacent to other options like exporting and sharing, serving as a pivotal feature for anyone looking to extend the reach of their visual projects beyond the Miro platform. Now, the magic moment comes. After clicking on Embed, you should see an option to copy code. This step is both simple and vital, as this embed code is what allows you to share your board on other web platforms or into another digital environment you're working in. Just click on Copy Code, and the necessary script is now at your fingertips, ready to be pasted wherever it's needed. To wrap things up, by embedding your Miro board, you'll bring a dynamic, interactive dimension to your projects, allowing you and your team to access and collaborate on your ideas in real time. It's an ideal way for enhancing presentations, reports, or even newsletters, giving recipients a direct insight into your creative process. Remember, each button on Miro is crafted for user-friendly navigation, but should you run into difficulties, Miro's support and resources are just a click away to help you troubleshoot and get back on track. I hope this guide has been helpful, and by now you're well equipped to utilize embedding on Miro boards for your own unique projects. Thanks for watching and happy collaborating.